I'm out here sailing on the picturesque Sydney Harbour, and we're sailing to a point that we've marked on our Raymarine Element S head unit. The Element S is a new unit from Raymarine that is perfect for sailors and general boaties. It's fast, efficient, and better than that, it's easy to use and easy to install. We're on board Lara. It's owned by Arnold here. It's a Clansman 30 and it was built by East Coast Yachts. And you can see just how easy the unit has been to install. It's an S9 and it's been networked to the existing units on board, the I-70 and P-70. If you're looking for something more fishing orientated, there is the Element HV. It runs a 1.2 MHz hypervision sonar, which provides awesome clarity in shallow water. It also enables you to switch to 350 kHz for deeper water. It also runs down vision, side vision, real vision, and chirp sounder. Both these units run on the LightHouse Sport operating system, and they're set up to a point where the unit is able to do most of the work for you. At the core of the Element S is speed, simplicity and quality. It has a fast and accurate 10 Hz GPS GNSS system, and you can see just how fast the quad-core processor delivers lightning fast redraw and processing.
It's super easy to mark a waypoint and sail to it. You just hit the big orange button over the place you want to mark your waypoint. You can then select it with your cursor, hit go to waypoint, and you're away.
As you can see, the interface is all push button control. Now there's a lot of debate around whether you want a touchscreen or push button, but I can tell you this, in rough weather, push buttons are far easier to use.
On this particular screen on the right hand side, we've got all the information relating to the waypoint we've selected. We've got time to go to the waypoint, VMG to the waypoint, distance to waypoint, bearing to waypoint, and below that we've also got onboard information coming in from our instruments. Depth, boat speed and heading. It's really easy to build a route on the Element. You just put in the waypoints using the orange button as we did before, and once you've put in all the waypoints you want to use, you can build the route in the order that you want to pass the waypoints, and then the Element will build the route for you.
Raymarine's Element series are intuitive and therefore very easy to use, and they come with Raymarine's 3-year warranty as long as you register your product. The next time you're looking for the perfect sailing companion, try the Raymarine Element S. It'll streamline your time on the water.